Today I'm going to show you two popular breathing techniques that help you get more oxygen into your lungs and making your breathing easier, thereby helping your lungs get stronger and feel more efficient. So here we go. Lion's breath breathing. It is also known as lion's pose, and this helps you eliminate toxins. It helps strengthen your chest and your throat, and it's a really great stress reliever. So for this one, we're going to inhale through the nose, and then we're going to exhale out your mouth. But when you exhale, you're going to open your mouth wide open. You're going to sting your tongue out as if you're touching the chin like this. And you're going to gaze at the ceiling while you exhale, and as you exhale, you're going to make a sound like you're a lion or like someone's trying to smell your breath. So here we go. We're going to breathe in, and now we're going to exhale. Again, in through your nose and exhale. And again, in through your nose and exhale. One more. Ooh, the pursed lips breathing. And on this exercise, we're going to inhale through your nose for a count of 2 and exhale for a count of 4 through pursed lips like this. So here we go. In for 2. Out for 4. And again, in for 2. Out for 4. And again, in for 2. Out for 4. One more, in for 2. And out for 4. Good job. Ooh, you did it. Fantastic. You did a great job. Do both of these, 3 or 4 of each per day, twice a day for 2 weeks, and see what amazing results you might see. Most people see results after a few weeks, but they were amazed at what they saw. So I hope that works for you as well. Thank you so much. If you liked it, please subscribe, and don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you so much. See you next time. I knew you were a lion. Bye.